Paint chips don't just look bad, they hurt your car's value. With ChipFixx and the Premium Kit, we are going to show you how to get professional results right at home. We are going to begin with a clean and dry vehicle. The key to having your paint stick to the chips is being as clean as possible. Do all polishing and paint correction before ChipFixx. ChipFixx will be the second last step in your paint correction journey, the last step being applying your wax or sealant. Grab your blue leveling cloth. I like to fold mine at the top into a little square. Apply your cleaner leveler to the blue leveling cloth, and then apply it to the chips on your vehicle. If you have waxed your car or been through a car wash recently, it's a good idea to fold the edge of the cloth and get cleaner leveler on there and get right inside the chip with the tip. You want to make sure any wax or grease or debris is removed, because that will cause problems in the future with your paint sticking inside the chips. Shake your paint really well. This is important to combine all the ingredients inside your paint so they'll stick well inside the chips. Pop off the lid, get a little bit of paint on the brush. Coverage matters. Get a lot of paint inside that chip, as in step 3, we are going to clean these up and you're going to get those professional results. For deeper chips, after waiting the 10 to 30 minutes in warm conditions, you can add just a little bit of extra paint. These ones are pretty light. We're only going to do one coat, but for deeper chips, you can always add a little bit of extra paint after you wait for the paint to dry. About 10 to 30 minutes in warm weather, up to an hour or 2 in colder weather. This is step 3, leveling. Use a different part of the cloth. You do not want to level with the dirt on the cloth. You want to use a new part of the cloth, apply a few drops of cleaner leveler. You don't need a lot. Too much cleaner leveler, and it may take the paint out of the chips. This is where you want to gently glide with the cleaner leveler over top of the chips. Use a circular motion. Gently remove all the excess paint. You just want to glide over top of the chip. You don't want to press into it too much. You want to skim over top and remove the excess paint. Now that you've leveled your chips, if any paint has come out of your chips, that is okay. Do step 2 over again, put a little bit of paint on the brush, fill the chip back in, repeat the exact same steps. After your chips are dry and level, you can use wax to clean up any of the haze left over. After you're done waxing the vehicle, the final step is to remove it with the included microfiber. And that is ChipFixx Touch-Up made easy.